Alright, I just walked a half an hour, rode an indoor airport terminal tram. It didn't even go outdoors, it's indoors. Just so I could see this forest. And I don't know if this is coming out impressive on the video, but it's not very impressive. I mean, it is. I mean, hey, we're in a desert. What do you do if you're in a desert? You build a damn forest inside. That's what you do. It's obvious. It is pretty cool. You got a freaking stream right here. I don't know what this shit is. There better be some koi fish in there. I don't see any. Nope. Oh, it smells like fish though. This is kind of cool. Because why not? Why not? Yeah, there's no fish. Oh, there's some elephant ears. There's some ninjas. Not really, not fully ninja. Oh shit, where's those stairs go? Oh, they just go up. I don't want to go up. Look at this shit. They're in dirt. They must have trucked in a shitload of dirt. This made all the news. It's like, oh, we got an indoor forest. It's gonna make it the best. Oh, who's that? It's gonna make it the best airport in the world. We got an indoor forest. These fools, they're sitting on some broken wood. There's somebody dead on the park bench, but what is this? We got some fucking teepees over here. Look at that. That is a shitload of plants to be bringing in. Huh. Oh shit. You got a teepee. There's some dead people hanging out in the teepees. That is a nice ass palm tree right there. I don't care who says otherwise. Maybe it's a date tree. I don't know. Bet you I could climb that bitch for about 2 seconds. What? Oh, I thought that was a magnolia tree, but it's not. Shit, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Huh? Yeah, it might be. He's got his buddies over here. Cross-pollinating. Oh, somebody broke the seating area. Alright, well. What will they think of next? Come see our indoor forest. Now I'm gonna go find the indoor train and take myself back to, oh wait, there's more over here. take myself back to whatever gate I'm supposed to be at, which I don't even know because I'm here so damn early. Because I was worried that the metro was going to quit running. Five minutes. Hey, look. I ain't seen no green shit in months. So, get over it. There is zero problems here in this airport finding any kind of shit you want. They got everything. You want gold? They got it. You want jewels? They got it. You want food? They got it. They got every freaking thing. It's like a mall with a forest in it. Forest Mall. Alright. Oh, there's this Wagamaraga. No, we're not going there. Alright, that's good enough.